In the heart of North America, a vast and untamed wilderness beckoned European explorers, filled with promise and peril. France, eager to stake its claim and expand its empire, dispatched intrepid explorers to chart the unknown land. Among these brave souls was Jean-Baptiste Lemoyne de Bienville, a man whose vision and determination would shape a future city. Bienville recognized the immense strategic importance of the mighty Mississippi River, a lifeline through the continent. In 1718, he set his sights on a distinctive bend in the river, which would become the future site of New Orleans. The river's natural levee provided crucial protection from floods, while the crescent-shaped bend offered a strategic vantage point for defense and trade. Bienville envisioned a thriving city that would serve as a vital link in the expansive French colonial empire. His vision extended beyond a mere trading post. He dreamed of a grand city, a beacon of French civilization and culture in the New World. Despite numerous challenges, including low-lying swampy land and a harsh subtropical climate, Bienville's resolve remained undeterred, driven by his grand vision. Under Bienville's leadership, the monumental task of building New Orleans commenced, marking the beginning of a new era in the region. The city's layout, meticulously designed by French engineer Pierre Leblanc de la Tour, reflected both practicality and European elegance, aiming to create a harmonious urban environment. A grid system inspired by the sophisticated streets of Paris was chosen for the streets, ensuring order and navigability. The heart of the city, the Vieux Carré or French Quarter, emerged as a testament to French architectural sensibilities, showcasing intricate designs and robust structures. Sturdy brick buildings soon replaced the initial wooden structures, designed to withstand the subtropical climate and frequent storms. Ironwork balconies adorned the facades, adding European charm and a touch of elegance to the burgeoning cityscape. The streets, named after Catholic saints and French royalty, echoed the rich cultural heritage and deep-rooted traditions of the founders. As New Orleans took shape, it drew a diverse population, each group contributing to the city's unique character and vibrant culture. African slaves, forcibly brought to the Louisiana Territory, played an essential role in the city's construction, their labor and skills integral to its development. The construction of New Orleans was a battle against the elements. The humid climate accelerated the decay of building materials. Flooding posed serious challenges to the city's growth. Despite these challenges, the spirit of the city's inhabitants remained undaunted. They devised methods to adapt, constructing levees and canals to manage water flow. The city's unique geography became an integral part of its identity. Waterways, once obstacles, were transformed into transportation routes. The reliance on enslaved labor, while integral to economic growth, cast a dark shadow over New Orleans' history. The stories of enslaved Africans remain an important part of New Orleans' past. From its inception, New Orleans attracted a diverse array of individuals. French colonists brought their language, customs, and traditions. Spanish settlers added their own distinct flavor to the cultural mix. African slaves preserved elements of their heritage, blending with European influences. This cultural fusion was enriched by the arrival of other groups. Germans, Irish, and Italians added their own threads to the city's cultural tapestry. Indigenous peoples interacted and traded with the newcomers. The confluence of these cultures fostered a spirit of tolerance and acceptance. This cultural richness became one of New Orleans' most celebrated attributes. New Orleans, strategically positioned at the mouth of the mighty Mississippi River, emerged as a vital center of trade and commerce in the early days of American history. Goods flowed from the vast interior of North America to be loaded onto ships bound for Europe, the Caribbean, and beyond, creating a bustling trade network. The city's wharves bustled with relentless activity, a testament to its growing economic importance and the sheer volume of goods passing through its ports. The arrival of the steamboat in the early 19th century revolutionized river transport and cemented New Orleans' status as a major port city, enhancing its connectivity and trade efficiency. The city's prosperity, however, was inextricably linked to the institution of slavery, a dark and painful reality of its economic success. New Orleans became a major hub in the domestic slave trade, a tragic chapter in history that saw countless lives bought and sold. Despite the moral stain of slavery, New Orleans continued to flourish economically, its streets teeming with life and commerce. The city's strategic location and economic opportunities attracted a diverse array of entrepreneurs, merchants and laborers from across the globe, each contributing to its vibrant culture. By the mid-19th century, New Orleans had transformed into a major urban center, a bustling metropolis that stood as a testament to Bienville's vision and the city's enduring legacy.